Afternoon, sir. Introducing myself. My name is Anthony Ortiz. I'm a student of BSMRE in section S3MR. What is the importance of research in your program BSMD and BSMRE? Research is crucial in my program because to provide a foundation for understanding and applying the principle of BSMD and BSMRE allows me to believe deeper into the subject matter, explore new ideas, and validate extending the areas. 3. How will you this course subject help you fulfill your dream of become a successful seafarer? This course will help me fulfill my dream to become a successful seafarer by equipping me with the necessary knowledge and skill. To negative the maritime industry, it will provide me with a solid understanding of principle to BSMT and BSMRE, which are essential for the successful care and seafaring. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.